Hello children, welcome back to Simply Science. In previous classes we were studying about the types of chemical reactions. In previous class we have already learned about the first type of chemical reaction, that is synthesis reaction. Now in this second class we are going to learn about the second type of chemical reaction, that is the decomposition reaction. First, let's read the definition of decomposition reaction. The chemical reaction in which one reactant breaks down into two or more products. So, for an example, this is a Fevistick. Okay, let us assume it as a reactant. ठीक है? It undergoes a chemical reaction and it breaks down into two products. This. So this is decomposition reaction. Suppose one reactant AB, it will undergo a chemical reaction and it will give two or more reactant A plus B. Now we must notice one thing in this, that here reactant must be one, and in synthesis reaction the reactant can be two or more. It is just the opposite of synthesis reaction. Now we can assume a decomposition reaction in our daily life. For example, whatever we eat, it is digested. The food that we eat, it gets digested into waste products. This is also an example of decomposition reaction. Suppose the protein we intake, protein gets break down into amino acids. Carbohydrates, that is our main source of energy, it gets broken down into simpler sugar. Now from chemistry point of view, we will take example, say calcium hydroxide. On heating calcium hydroxide, this triangle is the sign of heat. It breaks down into calcium oxide and water. Another example, say silver chloride. When it is exposed to sunlight, it gives silver Ag plus chlorine gas. Balance them. Children, when the reaction takes place in presence of sunlight, such reaction is known as photolysis reaction. Photolysis reaction. And this silver chloride, earlier this was used in black and white photography. Now it is not used because now we have colored photography, but when there was an era of black and white cinema, then black and white photographs, then silver chloride was the main chemical used in black and white photography. One more question can be asked from you, that why silver chloride is placed in dark bottles. The answer is simple, that silver chloride is a light sensitive chemical compound. It undergoes chemical reaction to give what? Silver and chlorine. So to prevent that, dark bottles are used as they interrupt the light entering into the chemical. So why, I am writing this down, why silver chloride is stored in dark bottles. The answer is It is a light sensitive compound. It undergoes photolysis as described earlier. Photolysis is any reaction that takes place in sunlight, and it breaks into silver and chlorine. So dark bottles interrupt the light entering into the silver chloride. So what we have learned from this decomposition reaction, that it is the opposite of synthesis reaction. Like in synthesis reaction, two or more reactants used to react in a chemical reaction, and they used to form one product. Here it is opposite. Here reactant is one and it breaks into two or more products. Okay.